So our first shoot of the spring actually turns out to be the cloudiest possible weather in Arizona.
The best possible weather.
Yeah, this is the best outcome for photographers.
Hey, we're making the best out of it.
You kept out the sun. Look at how effective it was.
Exactly.
Yep. Pace Photography _ yeah, I'm here with
an icon.
everybody.
She's an icon.
I'm an icon. Everybody hate on me with my Sigma art.
Wait, Sigma art? That's not worthy of hate. Sigma has like the best glass there is.
I've been up since 7 this morning, getting ready, packing, hair and makeup, picking up wardrobe, driving all around town, while all of them are sitting at home in bed. And we're here at the Desert Botanical Garden, doing our 3 photographers, 1 videographer / photographer shoot.
I technically didn't prepare for the shoot until like 30 minutes before we had to leave. So.
Sick.
I prepare on the way over here.
Well, when you're that talented, you don't need prep time.
What?
What does that mean?
Remember, kids, don't prep.
No prep. Don't prep.
Never giving up this time for real.
So when Alex isn't taking pictures of cars, he's taking pictures of these magnificent flowers over here.
They're beautiful.
Oh yeah.
They're adorable.
Just the bouquet.
He's exploring his feminine side.
Look at that. Great shoot, guys. Y'all know what that means. Taco time.
Taco time. All right.
It's taco time.